Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video I'm installing and reviewing this beautiful Kinky straight U-part wig. So if that's something you'd enjoy, then definitely subscribe to the channel, like and share, and let's get started. Let's open this box. The packaging is just giving elevated, elegant class, I'm telling you. But when you first open it up, of course you have your wig and then all your goodies in the bottom. So it has your wig information, wig cap, conditioner, wig conditioner. And under that you have a thank you card, and it also shows that they stand with Black Lives Matter. In addition to that, you get 2 different types of bags to store your hair. Alright, now let's look at this wig. So as I said, this is a U-part wig. I'm in the cap size 1. And on the flip side, you have your 2 combs on either side of the U-part. And of course, you have your combs that's near your ears. In the back, you have the comb at the base, the adjustable straps. Of course, you have like the little lace flap there, and also an additional strap that is clamped together much like a bra. Of course, you know I had to rake my fingers through it, and I had little to no shedding with this hair. As far as the smell, it did have a slight chemical smell to it, but you really had to put your nose in it to smell it. So to prep my wig for styling, I am going to use my Tymo straightener. I used this on my real hair some time back. I'll link that in the description down below if you'd like to check that out. I'm going to use Bio Silk in each section prior to straightening it, and I'm going to try and just go through each section maybe once or twice, because I still want to have that volume. I want that relaxed look, but I don't want it bone straight. If you've used the Tymo straightener before, you know it's really tough to get to the root area, but I'm using it because I can move faster with the Tymo straightener rather than a flat iron, in my opinion. So after prepping the hair, we are left with this soft, silky looking, relaxed like kinky straight hair. I love it. It's nice and flowy. It's exactly what we are looking for. And as you can see at the top root area, I got as close to it as possible. As you can see, I've sectioned off my U-part area as well as my sides because I want to do half up, half down. And I put the rest of my hair in a little ponytail, which I'm going to put in a bun. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and cut the material from the U-part area so I can place the wig on my head. Okay, so I'm just going to take the combs and slide them into place on each side. Now, what I was noticing was because these are combs that slide in, they also slide down. That was an issue I was having, so if you have an interest in this wig, definitely keep that in mind. If you typically wear cornrows under your U-part or V-part wigs, you shouldn't have that issue wearing this wig, but if you just pull your hair back in a ponytail, you might have that issue. Just keep that in mind. But look at the blendage. For all you girls that love simplistic hairstyling and protective styling, this is a wonderful alternative. You can literally just wear your hair like this, or you can twist it back if you're running late for work and don't want any hair out in your face. This hair is so soft and dense, no one is going to know this is not your real hair. For those who do not like a middle part, if you left enough hair out, you can certainly just flip it over like I've done here. Or grab your wand curl and pop some curls in there. Now to curl my leave out area, you guys know I was not going to put any additional heat on my hair in that way, so I did utilize my wrap curl rollers. I do have to wait for these rollers to cool off, but once they are cooled, girl, this is what it gives, and I'm loving it. I recently did a video about these rollers, so if you'd like to know more about them, definitely go check out that video. Ma'am, do you see these waves? I mean, do you see them? The density and luster of this hair is so on point. I am loving every minute of it. As far as product, you guys saw the only thing that I used on this hair was some bio silk, and this hair is holding the curl. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do a half up, half down. Of course, I am using a silk scrunchie because my hair is going to be in this ponytail as well. I'm in love with the texture of this hair. I love the fact that I'm protective styling my hair and there's no glue and no lace required. I'd like to thank RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's video. If you have an interest in this U-part kinky straight wig, all of the information will be in the links down below. So until the next time, be love. Say you're not gonna let me go. Bother me,